going to teach you how to generate content for your article or website. Okay, how to generate content for your website. When I say website, it is for everything, for your social media, for your audio platform. Okay, you know it, you know how to do it, but anyway, but when I teach you, it will be something interesting for you. Okay, you already know how to generate content on different nodes, but what I'm going to teach you is going to be pretty interesting. Okay, as I've already said, okay, what is content? Okay, what is content? Okay, a discussion or article about a particular topic, a discussion or an article about a particular topic, or a, I can say this topic, okay, or an article, a discussion or an article about a particular topic in the form of text, image, and video. It can be a combination of all these three. Okay, in my initial days of training career, I tell to people, create a unique content, quality content, create a unique content and quality content, and everybody thought content means text only, not video, image, and all. Okay, so creating a video is the greatest source of creating a quality video content, text content, image content, and video content. You can create text content, you can generate image content, you can create video content also. Create all this and create an article about it. Okay, that's what we do. So what is the quality? It should be, the content must be, the content must be three unique, I mean three important aspects. One is unique. The content must be unique. When I say unique, whatever the content that you create, there should not be a same copy of the content in internet, which means never ever copy and paste content from any other source in your website. Let your content be unique. Okay,
O-
you
Okay.
can also call this one as, okay, unique means 100% unique. Duplicate content is called as plagiarism. So no plagiarism. Plagiarism is something duplicating the content. Okay, no duplication. You're getting a point?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
you cannot take somebody else's image and claim this is my image. Okay, you cannot claim
Mhm,
somebody else's video and say this is my video. You cannot tell
mhm.
the article or book written by someone else as your content. Okay, it should be unique. Okay, it should be
Yes, sir.
unique. Number two, it should be detailed. The content should be in detail, in detailed content. Okay, in other aspect,
Acha.
no thin content. What is thin content means? A content that is written for namesake, which does not have a deep insight about the
Appro-
topic.
Information.
Okay, no deep information about the topic, shallow content. We even call it as a shallow
Oh,
content.
okay. Okay.
Okay, so they give a one paragraph of information about it, that's it. They say, okay, the content is over. For example, when I train people about search engine optimization, I tell them, oh, increase the ranking of your website in the top position in search engine is called search engine optimization. Now SEO training is over. Right, shallow content. Okay,
Okay.
so no shallow content, no thin content. Okay, the
Okay.
content should be in detailed. In other aspect, you can say this can be a long form content. Okay, why we call it as a long form content? The reason, because you know very well, if the suitcase size is very big, you can put more clothes inside. Okay, right? If the vehicle size is very big, you can accommodate more people to travel. For example, in bus you can have up to 60 passengers to sit, but in a train, if you take, each compartment can accommodate 150 people. Correct, right? So the
Correct.
more or the bigger the vehicle size is, more the probability of adding more. Correct. Same way, if you write a one paragraph content, what is the insight that you can add inside? But if you write a content of 10, 12 paragraphs, you can add more keywords inside. Am I right?
Correct.
Right?
Yes,
You
sir.
can. So the probability of adding more, discussing more about a particular topic is very high when your content is longer. So your content should be unique. The content should be in depth, detailed, and longer. And your content should contain information like image. Number one, preferably image. The image can be an infographic. You're getting a point?
Yes, sir.
Image. That image can be an infographic, information that is represented through information. Okay, it can be an image, it can be an infographic. Okay, and the content can also be in the formats or in the different way of presentation. Okay, image can be there, infographics can be there, and as I've already said, okay, a text content being unique is very important. Okay, and there are videos, right? So you can generate videos also, as I already said, text, image, and video content. Okay, so create image, infographic. You can also create the content in different formats like PDF. These are all extensions. Okay, okay, PDF, PowerPoint presentations you can have, and you can distribute all this content in different platforms. Okay, so keep the content unique, have a image content, video content, okay, in-depth detail. You can also add case studies of your own,
Okay.
case studies of your own. You do your own research, take a sample of some websites or do your own research and come out with the observation. Okay, case studies.
Okay.
Okay, you can add statistical data from trusted sources. There are different trusted sources. For example, you want to talk about the number of COVID patients in Chennai. Okay, you can refer to WHO website where the WHO says in India, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, this many new cases. When you write about those cases in your website, you are referring to a trusted source called WHO. You are getting a point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can add case studies of your own and you can put your observations. You can add statistical data from trusted sources and research content. You can have your own research. Okay, so this is how an article is expected to be written. A professional article will be like this only. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, so this
Sir,
is one. Yeah.
sir, one question. Sir, image is clear. What is infographic?
Infographic is a image that conveys some information to you.
Okay, the
Image.
image which is going to convey some information to me.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
So
sure.
infographic. Okay. So look at this one. So this will be looking like an image, but it will have information inside. Can you see?
Yes.
Right. So this is very famous now. In Instagram, this is what people share a lot. Right. So they have 5 points
Okay.
now. So the 5 points is written
Uh-huh.
like this: recruitment, marketing, metrics. So this is the image that is shared. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
And there are other images also. Wild versus
Okay.
farming comparison. Can you see salmon? Wild salmon
Yes.
versus farm salmon
Uh-huh.
comparison. So when
Mm-hmm.
you create images like this, you don't need to, write long form article. It is easy to share to other people. People can also grab the information quickly. Okay. So
Okay.
infographic is the latest method to share a content instantly. Because people generally they don't read it text by text when you share it in WhatsApp. When you share a long messages now, right?
Mm-hmm.
People don't
It,
read
bec-
that.
it becomes very it becomes very difficult.
Yes.
I am sharing the information in the form of image, which is
Yeah.
a pictorial form, and it is certainly going to deliver the information which I want to convey to the audience.
Exactly. People can also share that one to other platform easily now. Even a person who is
Huh.
not educated can easily understand by looking at the image. You are getting a point.
Yes, sir.
So
It should
image
be very
is
catchy, attractive, and it should look smart.
yes. So when people look at your content, they will generally share it to other people. Okay.
Yes.
This is one.
Yes.
Now
Crystal,
I am going to tell
crystal clear.
you. Now I'm going to tell you how to create text content. Creating text content.
Okay.
How do you create that? Obviously, you have to type, correct? Obviously, you have to type. That is the only way to create text content, right? Okay.
Yes.
What I'm going to tell you, I'm going to tell you the shortcut. Okay. I'm going to tell you to use voice typing. Okay. Because
Yes, which
when
I
you
wanted
want
to learn.
when
Yes.
you want to type by yourself, then you have to learn typing. You have to correct the spelling, and it takes time, and you cannot do it immediately. So because of that reason, let us use voice typing. We are getting a point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in order to create a content using voice typing, all you need is Google Docs account, like the account which I have created now. What I'm using now is called a Google Documents account. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Number one. So this is Google Docs account. Okay. Your hardware or your computer must have a working mic and a speaker. Okay. The mic in the computer must work. If not, you have to add an external mic. Make sense? Okay. So
Okay.
working mic in your desktop computer or laptop computer, whatever you have. Okay. It must have a mic inside. Okay. Or you can make sure that it is working. Without mic, you cannot do it. You can also use this on your smartphone. How? Download the Docs application on your mobile phone. Okay, on your
Okay.
smartphone. Your smartphone can do voice typing. If you don't have a computer, go to your smartphone. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, so your
Yes, sir.
smartphone can help you to do that. Okay, now what do you do by doing all this above? You can also use an extension called voice in voice typing. Voice in voice typing Chrome extension. Okay, okay, voice in voice typing Chrome extension. You can also use that. Can you see here? Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Yes.
can you see here the extension voice in voice
Yes,
typing,
sir.
right? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
what are we going to do? We are going to use voice typing here to create the content. How do we do that? Okay, how do we do that? We are going to simply speak, it is going to type. Okay,
So for
okay, I can take any topic. Okay, I can take any topic and I'm going to demonstrate voice typing. Okay, there is an option. Go to the tools section here. Okay, we can go to the tools section. Okay, Sudipto, we are having some external sound from your side. Can you monitor that?
okay, just a second.
Yeah. Oh, you went on mute. Okay, that is also appreciated. Okay. Anyway, so if you look into this one, I'm going to tell you how to do this voice typing. It is very easy. Okay, so go to the tool section. Okay, and select the voice typing option. So there will be a button which is coming with English US. If you are from India, preferably select India. Okay, English India. Okay. Now, if I click on this icon, I can start speaking. You're getting a point? If I click on this icon, I can start
Yes, sir.
speaking. Okay. I'm going to talk about a topic called direct selling. Okay. Let me take this topic and let me speak about a paragraph. Okay. Now, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to
Okay.
say direct selling industry in India. Now, I was using voice typing to write this title. Okay. Now, I'm going to speak about the direct selling industry in India about a couple of paragraphs, which is going to save my time, which is going to help me to create more content. Okay. And also, if there is any spelling mistake, I can fix it also, not a problem. So, don't worry about spelling mistake, don't worry about the content, don't worry about what you're going to do and everything. Simply power on your voice typing and keep typing. Okay. Okay. Keep speaking, it will type. Okay. Direct selling is a practice of selling a product by a manufacturer by connecting to the consumer directly without following the traditional sales flow. In general, the direct selling industry works with a private franchising business model. It comes with low investment along with a training program that can help anybody to learn the business, implement, and become profitable in their own pace. Several times, the direct selling industry is confused with pyramid schemes and money circulation schemes that is acting as a biggest challenge for the real direct selling organizations who are growing in the genuine market and products. Now that within some time I am able to generate a 3 paragraph of content. Okay, text content. Okay, if at all there is any mistake, I can see what are the things underlined can be a mistake or can be a grammar mistake. Okay, manufacturing. Okay, and private, it can be event driving, something like that. Okay, it comes. Okay, so I can fix it. Capital letter, it comes with. Okay, so manufacturing. So I can fix it also. Okay, by using these techniques or methods. Manufacture by connecting with them in their own pace or at their own pace. So if I can make mistake, I can make mistake, not a problem. Okay, but I have to fix it. This is one. So what I have demonstrated with you is how do you create a text content of your own using voice typing, correct? Gentlemen, this is doable.
Yes.
Is it difficult?
It is very easy. And I
Very
was
easy.
asking from very first.
Okay.
you just you just told me that I can write Bengali also.
Okay, so this is very easy, simple to type. Make sure that you don't make mistakes. So this is one way of generating or creating content of your own. You are getting a point?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, so this is generating a text content boss. I'm going to teach you how to create a image content. Okay.
Okay.
How do you create a image content? You can create image content using any tool. I preferably use the basic tool is PowerPoint. Heard about that? PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint
Yes,
in
sir.
your system?
Yes.
This is number
Yes.
one. This is what I use when I don't have internet. And canva.com is what I use when I have internet. You are getting a point?
Yes.
Okay, canva.com. Okay, I have a wonderful product called canva.com where I can go here and click this one, canva.com. And I already have several designs being created. If I want to create a design of my choice, there are pre-defined templates available. You are getting a point? I can
Yes,
create a
sir.
logo for my business. I can create an intro video for my YouTube channel. I can create an infographic on my website content. I can create a thumbnail images for my YouTube videos. I can create video for your smartphones. Okay, posters, Facebook cover. I can even design my resume. Trust me, I have designed my trainer profile resume in Canva. You're getting a point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You
Yeah,
can see
I was trying. Yes, I was trying, and you said that you tried with Canva.com, so it will not have a watermark, right?
it may have watermark, but we have option to remove it for free also. You can remove and add your own images, and you can have your own watermark. You are getting a point.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. So I
Yes, sir.
edit my family photos. I edit my personal photos. Okay. I even create an album, family album, using these photos. You are getting a point. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
create albums with this one, and my trainer profile resume was created here only. Okay, I think this somewhere older. I can go out and check. So this is going to act as a great source for me to click, edit, and generate the content of my choice. For my advertisement campaign, I create images here. For my website content, I create images here. Okay, can you see this image, amudakumar.com? Okay, which is like kind of promotion. I have several images out here, can you see? And all these are displayed under amudakumar.com right now. We can go out and see. Okay, see, this images was created using canva.com. This image was used created using canva.com. Okay, which means it was edited, it was modified. So whatever the need that I have, I can go out and take it through Canva. Make sense? And how do I do that? Okay, I go to this section. Most probably, if I want to generate a thumbnail or logo for business, I can go click this logo options and select anything which is for free. I can click edit and change, and I can also upload my own photograph. You're getting a point? Okay,
Yes, sir.
I go here. There are lots of options out there. Okay, I can simply select this one. Okay, that's it. Instead of this one, I just will replace my own image. That is already images which I have uploaded. Okay, I already have images which I have already uploaded, but I can go check it out. Image of my choice. Okay, see, lots of family photos also there. Okay, good, done. That's it. Gentlemen, go settle here. Yeah, right. Grow a little bit. Have some complaint. Okay, okay, yeah, have some more complaint. I can grow. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, so I'm putting myself here, correct? Instead of this striker leap, I'm going to make Amada Kumar. Done. And I can say I'm
Done.
a corporate trainer. No, there is a movie in Tamil where he calls us corporate criminal. I say corporate trainer. That's it. The image, the logo for my website is ready. You're getting a point,
Okay.
right? So I can simply go ahead, click this, download. I click on this download. The image is ready, coming to my system. Now it is downloaded. Can you see here? I open this image, I get it here. So what I'm supposed to do? I simply upload this particular logo or image to my website whenever I have. Correct? Now, so this
Yes.
is creating image content. Basically, you can create infograph of your choice, you can create a video of your choice, anything. That depends on your creativity. You are getting a point,
Yes, sir.
right? So you can create image content for free using Canva.com. Okay. You can also create the same image content in different format using a PowerPoint. Shall I teach you how to create using a PowerPoint? Right. So open PowerPoint on your computer, preferably the latest PowerPoint, whichever you have, PPT. Okay. So click on this. Double click on the blank PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Don't go for designs. Okay. It is easy to write on a blank paper than a designed paper. Okay. Right. So I have something here. Okay. Simple. I can create a product catalog. Okay. I can go to, let me say, Amazon.com. Okay, Amazon.in, and let me select a particular product of my choice. Okay, let me select a particular product. Oh, I want to recharge it. No, I don't want to do that. I want to buy a product, preferably a product, anything. Okay, any product. So I can go here and I'm going to choose this vases. Okay, let me say I'm going to create a product video of a vase, this glass. Okay, I'm taking this glass. Okay, there is only one image of this particular glass. Okay, what I can do, I can click on this image. See, the big image is coming. I right click this
Yes,
image,
sir.
copy this image, go to PowerPoint, simply paste it. Okay, I can drag it, put it here. So the vase has come here, right? I can click expand this, the size, it has come. Now I can add the title. Okay, what is the title of the product? Pure Home Living Crystal Vase with the Face. I can simply copy this, go to the PowerPoint, paste it here, right? Put it at the top,
Yes.
make the size little bigger, or increase the font size from 18 to somewhere around 45. Okay, so make it little bigger, make it simple, don't do all those colorful blah 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 and all. Okay,
Mhm.
right, this one. So there are some features available about the product. Scroll down, there are some features about this item. Can you see here, right? About this item, copy the whole content, put it here, done. Correct. Okay, so this is basically about this item. Even copy this and even paste it here. So about this item. Okay, this. Okay, let me also move this one here. Got it, right? Now what else I need to do? So there are other information also. There is a color, there is, brand, there is a material. You want to add this, again duplicate the same window. Correct. Instead of this about this item content, remove all this, copy these three and put it here. That's it. If you want, you can delete this. Okay, you can move here. So while, yeah,
Presentation stop. I think there is some technical. Yeah. Right now it's happening.
it is coming. Okay, so now I have added all this. Now I have two screen here, one screen is this, one screen is this. Correct, right? So I can add any information I want here, any information of my choice. Correct, right? So why I'm doing this one? So after doing this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this file. How I'm going to save it? Okay, save as. When I try to click this particular file in my desktop computer as save as, browse, let me go to desktop. Okay, and instead of PowerPoint, I will select as JPEG. You see this?
Yes.
JPEG. I select as JPEG and save it as vase. Okay, and I click on save. Now what happens? Do you want to export all slides? There are only two slides. When I say all slides, two images will be saved on my computer. You're getting a point? See, we can convert this one into a video. Okay, product catalog video. How do you do that? Okay, there is an image here. Click on this image. Okay, before this image is coming, let us put this title, and I'm going to add animation. There is animation option here, and I'm going to make it as float in, which means it will come inside like this. Number one, this will float. Number two, this image will float. Number three, this title will float. Okay. Number four, this paragraph content will float one after another. I can even go to the settings. Okay. And what I can do, there is one more thing of made crystal. I can make this one float. Fourth point. I can make, this line float next, one after another. Can I see here? Okay, so I can also make this one float. Then after I'm coming to the slide 2, the slide 2 will have the same title, let it float inside. Next the slide will float inside. Number 1 is this, number 2 is the slide, so let it float. And about this item, now this will float. Now there is something called color, correct? Let me select this and try to make sure. Okay, so this one floats, all the three. Okay, now what happens? I have created this, everything is a 1 second video, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to insert, I'm going to add audio. I already have audio which was downloaded. Okay, I can browse that audio. Okay, I can browse that audio somewhere from here. Okay, I'm going to browse audio on my PC, and this comes. I'm going to add an audio here. Audio is added. I can change something like hide this one during the show, play across all the slides, loop until it stopped. What I'm going to do now? What I'm going to do now? I'm going to convert this into a video. Let us see how it is. Okay, file. Instead of save, I'm going to put it as export. And in export, I'm going to create as a create a video. I can do this. Otherwise, I can save as and I can browse. In the place of presentation, I will select MPEG for video. Can you see this? MPEG.
Yes.
When I select this MPEG for video, automatically this content will be converted, waste content. It will be converted into a MP4 video. Okay. So we can create image content using PowerPoint and Canva.com. You can also create video content using PowerPoint and Canva.com. You are getting a point?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you can generate content, image content, infographic, you can generate video content, you can generate image content, and also text content using voice typing, using Canva.com, using PowerPoint. You can also search for intro video maker in YouTube and all other platforms. Okay, so that's it, gentlemen, for the day that I have taught you how to create content for your article or post or other stuff. Okay, the next topic that we will be discussing about is how to write the content. Okay, how to write a content curation, or we can also call it as a content creation. Okay, this is what we are going to learn next, how to create a content.